Before we begin, remember the first thing that we need to do is click on File, make a copy, underscore, and our name, we'll use John Smith again, click OK. Once we have our own unique file, we can go about plotting a graph. Now the first thing to do when we plot a graph is we need to summarize the data into the mean and or standard deviations. Remembering how we do that, type in equals average we repeat it for the after measurements equals average, drag over the data range, close parentheses, push enter. Likewise for the standard deviation equals STDEV, parentheses, click on the data, close parentheses, push enter, and one more time. Now in Google Spreadsheets, if you want to reduce the number of decimal places to make it easier to read, it's easy to just go to the 1, 2, 3 icon and on the drop down menu choose 2 decimals and you'll see it will become 2 decimals. Now to plot a graph using the means, we will type in the before mean of 74.33 and then the after mean of 129.20. Now once we have that, all we need to do is highlight the 4 cells. This contains the before and after titles and their respective means. Go up to Insert and in the drop down menu choose Chart. Once you do that, you'll see a whole lot of different chart types that you can choose with a little window in the bottom right hand corner. So whether we choose columns, bars, pie, lines, etc., you'll see the graphs changing. Now the best graph for this particular data set, being a before and after data set, is going to be a bar graph or a column graph, so we'll keep it on column graph. We need to put a vertical axis title, which in this case is heart rate, and we need to put in the units, which in this case is beats per minute. For the graphs that we're going to use in this course, there is no need to have a legend, so we can click no legend. We can now see the preview down the bottom here. Now you have the ability within Google Spreadsheets to change the axis scale over here, so we can make it a minimum of 40 and a maximum of 140 for this case. Once we're happy with how the preview looks, we push Save Chart and the chart appears within our Google Spreadsheet. Now once you have this, and if you need to use it for any other purposes, as you'll see later on in the course, click on the chart and then there's a little drop down menu and you can choose Save Image. It will save an image file for you, which then you can later insert into a Google document spreadsheet.